right, so now I have the board clamped on the corner of the table. Notice how it's kind of going at a diagonal from the corner of the table, so that then I can easily cut this and not cut into the table at all. Okay, do not cut into the tables. On this one, we're going to try to follow that 45-degree angle line just straight across, right on that line as best as possible. Okay, trying to stay consistent at that 45-degree angle. Go slow to start it. Get that groove, it's looking good right on that line, and then just cut it off. This piece is garbage. This other part, make sure you get your name on it on the back side. The hour. Okay. And then this will be ready to turn in with the sanding block when I call for them.